Hello friends. In this QuickBytes video, I will show the Quick Access Toolbar. It's a place where you store all the frequently used tools and features. Why Quick Access Toolbar? When we have everything is available in the ribbons. Well, each individual or team has their own set of frequently used tools or features, which is placed under different segments of the ribbon. Not all feature has a easy-to-use keyboard shortcuts. And a great majority of us are not that savvy to remember all of them. So, instead of spending time in toggling between multiple ribbons, we can put them in the Quick Access Toolbar. How does this help? The contents of the Quick Access Toolbar do not change with the selection of the ribbon type. Let us take an example of the data table below. I need to format the data table and create a suitable chart for it. For this, I must toggle between Home and Insert ribbon. Instead of doing that, I have already selected these frequently used options on the Quick Access Toolbar, and now everything I need is at one place. This small step has made me more efficient than before, and it is more user-friendly. How to add or remove items on the Quick Access Toolbar? It's simple. Right-click on the feature you want and select Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Voila! Now you can access the feature from the toolbar, instead of navigating it through multiple ribbons. Now you can send email attachments, sort data, password protect sheets, and more through one mouse click. Same can be replicated with Microsoft Word and PowerPoint as well. Hope this you will find useful. So, what would be your top 5 Quick Access Toolbar items? Let me know in comments. Do check out other QuickBytes videos on improving efficiency through small steps. Thanks for watching.